Hi, I'm Green Tea Gal, and I'll be reacting to Chainsaw Man Episode 4. Alright, so last week Power was trying to save Meowie by unfortunately sacrificing Denji, but nothing goes the way they planned, and he ends up fighting the Bat Devil, and then pounding him into paste, so that's good. The Power gets eaten trying to save Meowie, who was also eaten, but there's no way she's dead, so clearly he's gonna save her in this next episode. Let's watch. I mean, what else is she gonna eat? Saving Kitty takes priority. I'm glad they're okay. I'm glad this fool does not chew his food. Is it weird that this is kind of romantic? That's the first thing he talks about.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What the hell? That's gonna grow back, right? That was Heidi-kun's Halloween costume this year. Well, he wanted to fondle boobs. He just fought though. Where's his backup? Where's your axe? Yeah, this is interesting. You gotta wonder how he'll handle a fight without the help of his chainsaws. He's still real strong though, yeah? I mean, she looks like one of those jelly worms I buy from Dollar Tree, so... anything sharp I feel like would work really well. Well, no, it's not all about you, Power. This thing is going to eat him. So gross. Everybody's clowning on your dreams, dude. Always go for the head. Any sneakerheads in the audience? What kind of shoes are those? Oh, it went poorly. About time you got there. You're supposed to be looking out for them.
You got knocked the f out, man!
Cool. That thing must be huge. That was just the head. Took all long. Why is she blushing? Why is he like losing his mind right now? He's a good guy. Nice. That's very helpful. You made him apple bunnies? Bit of a mixed bag, eh? I appreciate how pragmatic he is. Over here primming.
デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
That is a fair
エリ
assessment.
ア内からの逸脱はデンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
まさか何も変わってないですよ。
We have a tsundere in our midst. So I see this is gonna be the slice of life episode. I don't even mind that, actually. He may have missed his calling as a barista. Spin-off of Aki's daily life when? It's so early to be smoking!
昼飯何？カレー。やり。なんだよ。悪魔か？
Why is he crawling?
狭い家じゃの
う
私が早川君を一番に信用しているからだよ。
Ah.
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。ウロはたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
That's nasty.
くせえんだよ。なんちゃうんだ。人間は繊細じゃの。
Wow, and I thought Denji was gonna be a bad roommate. She ruined my peaceful BL cohabitation.
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。揉め。
You'll put up with a lot, I see.
胸を揉んでいい回数は3揉みじゃ。
そんだけ？天使。Like this little power fashion show. Alright, that was a cute episode. I like how slice of lifey it felt. I mean, I am a little annoyed that power is kind of disrupting their BL cohabitation, but I guess it was just a matter of time, really. It didn't seem like they had anything to talk about. That's alright. Now I guess the shoe's on the other foot, and Denji can see what kind of a horrible roommate he had been only a week ago. Looking forward to see what they do in episode 5. I'm glad we got to see Aki's fox demon. I know we had seen a little bit of that in the trailer, but still, this was cool. Alright, so last week, Denji's found family grows a little bit when power drops in. At least she makes good on her promise and lets him cop a feel. Let's watch. Somebody stuffs. You should keep it.
これは
つけると胸が大きくなる不思議アイテムじゃ。
She hardly needed that, though.
さあ、あと2もみじゃ。あんばいよかったじゃろ。
Oh, the stunned silence.
うぬらの仕事手伝ってや。
You know, she's lucky he has any measure of self-control. Some say Denji is still standing in that bathroom. Wait, is he sicking his dog on them at the end of that? Now I have to wonder about it. 'Cause he did that, you know? Really, dude? Well, is he gonna be like in a horny stupor for like ever?
おい。
Reh.
おーい。チョップ。
Then again, he's kind of fulfilled his life's purpose all in one day.
悪魔。
What is there to live for now?
デンジ君、何か悩みでもあるの？
Quite the opposite.
でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思ってい
I
た
had a feeling he'd go through this.
なくて追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃねえのかって。
But Denji's one of those dudes.
相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると。
I'm glad someone can finally admit that.
相手の心を理解するのは難しいこ
All
と
this
だ。
lewd hand-on-hand action.
耳の形は
It's like it's time to tease Denji about foreplay. Hiroi.
覚えて。
Rah! Well, he got 4 squeezes. Good for him.
お願いがあるんだけど。
I need to go to the store and pick up a few things for me.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
銃の悪魔を殺せたらマキマさんが俺の願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
Yes, that is literally what she just said. She better hope it's not something impossible.
例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
うざい、ついてくんなよ。俺は一人で遊べるんだ。
Yada, play with your own Toto. That's so pretty.
だいたい5分弱で銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。
How did one demon do all that?
大丈夫でしょ。
I don't really get why they send just one person after these things. Clearly the combination of the three of them would be the best option.
ほら、くっついた。
Wow.
だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば銃の悪魔にたどり着く。
That's pretty clever.
やっぱり銃野郎の肉片食べてたか。
What was that, a tuna devil?
ごめんじゃ
Is he bribing them?
先輩。
先輩、
よし。やり
畜生みたいな扱いじゃな。
お前らに人権はない。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
What y'all do?
いたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
怖っ、何があったの？アキくん。
Tell us about Curry.
じゃかわいそうだよ。
そんなことはやめてください。結婚前の乙女がそんなみだらな。
Why are they all so bricked up?
ベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
Where'd all that resolve go?
単独コーナー危険だ。止まれ。危険だ。止まれって言ってるだろ。キラに唇を奪われる。
Don't be jelly.
ほっぺのキスは俺がもらう。
アキくんは死なないでね。
Don't be saying stuff like that. Other than spit on Denji and call a dog, I've yet to see him do anything. So I'd at least like him to stick around for a little longer.
使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。
A little harsh.
アキくんは死なないでね。
Oh, so she says at the beginning of every mission. Alright. Maybe it's like a good luck charm.
お前が持ってた肉片本当に信用できんのか？
You can hardly call that hunk of bullet meat. It's kinda cute. I think she might be too green for this assignment. So she can at least see it. I guess it's too early to call it a stand. Oh no. This is some backroom shit, isn't it?
俺ステーキ食ってみて。
Y'all need to leave. Oh. Oh my god, I swear this episode was 5 minutes long. This is definitely gonna have some sort of liminal spaces horror about it. That was very cool. Can't wait to see what happens next week. I like that it looks like they're dipping into, I guess that liminal sort of horror. Yeah, definitely getting a creepypasta vibe from that ending there. Yeah, that was real cool. Alright, tune in next week for episode 6. I've been Green Tea Gal. Thanks for watching.